Hadian bala sapriang ki kubor halor ke jingdawa bo menteri rang ba ke jelau di ban lumno ek Jingialang jong ke kenhun MDA. Nagliang Conrad kongkal sangma ulong babaro shikata gi jupen long manda ke por ek Jingialang jong ke kenhun MDA nreina do bala sapriang ke Khlam hagane ke jela bat kila don ke jing perking amsyam layolat ban lum ke Jingialang. Ulong baladala ban bot renti iki kendon jing betha bat ban omebun breu than kam don jing e ban lum ke Jingialang jong ke MDA bat onse krane kenia bat ki perlok jong ke kenhun. Ulong baladalu mi ke Jingialang ke MDA kana me keren tang halor kamat ke bedai bat ketenat boarding ndrai one keren ru halor kitenat bapher bat ki mat Namar la slamba amshim la penlong ke Jingialang jong ke MDA halor ke jingdawa ban pha tokit ha ke CBI halor ke jingkeno bamsab lengbaka sobhagya scheme u Conrad kongkal sangma ula keren chai bu yang scam ha kanong rem badi ban ailat chwai ka kenhun tokit ke balat luit ban tokit halor ki kenrum kenram ha ke tenat boarding bat ha ke MEECL.
Yeah, we have always had a MDA coordination meeting very regularly, in fact, every month or every 2 months, once into every 2 months. And it's only after the COVID struck that because of COVID restrictions, we were not able to have that. So if we can maintain the COVID protocols and we can ensure that unnecessary numbers are not too large, so maintaining the protocols, definitely we have no issues to call that. So I can discuss with my colleagues and see how to ensure that MDA is not blamed to be breaking the protocols, and yet look at how to discuss the issues that are there. It's not just discuss about power department, but there are many other departments also, and many other issues that need to be discussed. It's been a long time that the MDA has not met. So definitely it's a genuine point, and we will definitely look into it.
You have even demanded that CBI inquiry should be conducted on this.
I have already made my stand clear. There's independent inquiry, so that independent inquiry, let it be completed.